everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. We're having a great day. I have an unboxing. Can anybody guess the box? Go ahead and pause it and see what I have to unbox today. If you'd be so kind as subscribe to my channel, that'd be great, because once I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a fabulous giveaway and you don't want to miss out. So make sure that you ring the bell, share, comment, make your requests for different videos, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Got my blade. So how's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing pretty good. Just got back from Best Buy. So we'll be doing an unboxing later on this week with what Ted got. So he'll be excited about that. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this box if we can. And if you already guessed Pandora, you guessed right. Alright, so this is part of my missing charms for my Shine. The 18 karat gold Shine collection. Alright, that's the box, that's the invoice. Alright, missing charm, love Teddy. So there you go. Alright, so we got a little pouch. Looks like that. Got a little Pandora box, if you're not familiar. Alright. And a lot of pink tissue paper. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what I got. I'm still rocking my Fendi Peekaboo in the snakeskin print satin material with the Defender case and the monster eyes and the S luggage tag. So I'm going to be swapping out of this one into my Haunted Mansion crossbody with the matching wallet. So I'll be doing that probably this week, so make sure that you ring the bell, subscribe, and all that fun stuff so you don't miss out on all the videos and all the fun. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what I got here. These are very hard to get because, for one thing, they're retired. And I was able to get this very last one off of the website. I do have another one coming from eBay that I found from a trusted seller. And I'm still missing Sweet as Honey, and I can't find that one anywhere. So if anybody knows where to get that one, leave comments below and I'll really be appreciated. Alright, so they come in a little bag like this. And this is the Pave, the golden Pave mix ball bead, I believe. But I'll leave all the information in the comments below in case you're interested in getting one. They may have a few left if you are interested. So if you are, I would highly recommend ordering it. Otherwise, you're going to miss out and you'll have to go to either eBay or some other place, and it's kind of a headache. Alright, so that's what this looks like. Just little crystals all the way around, and it's like a bead. See if it will focus. Not really. Yeah, I think that's kind of a better shot there. Yeah, these are really hard to focus. Yeah, it's trying to focus, but it's just kind of going in and out, basically. Alright, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll leave a picture of what it actually looks like. Let's see if we can do it this way, maybe. Yeah, I think that kind of gives you an idea. Alright, so I hope that was helpful. If you're interested in getting this really cute golden Pave mix ball, and I'll go ahead and put that on my bracelet, and I'll put it on Instagram, and then you guys can check it out. Alright, so I do appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view, and I hope you have a great week, and I hope you're staying safe. Have a good day, guys. Bye now.